Pam. I'm with the Girl Camper, and this is my 1977 SunLine.
And it is adorable. What size is it?
It's 13 feet, including the tongue.
Okay.
And she is named after my mom. Her name was Ruby.
So this is Ruby. And she has her splashes of red around her with her red stripe and everything. How long have you had Ruby?
I've had Ruby about 4 years, and my husband redid the inside during COVID.
Okay.
And he did a very good job.
Yes, he did. Let's check it out. Wow. She's so cute.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, and so you keep it as a twin size bed?
Yes, it's a twin size, and these things pull out to make another twin size. So that's what we do when my husband comes with me.
Yes.
And I went with the farmhouse theme.
Yeah. I love your cow.
Because I love cows.
That is so nice. Nice little touches. Oh, she has a...
I got my red knobs from Daddy Amazon.
Okay. Does your stove work? You cook
my stove does work, but I don't cook on my stove.
Right.
We replaced the light with a colander light that I found at Cracker Barrel.
They have the coolest little trinkets.
Has the coolest trinkets.
I like your chicken, your hen over there. That's nice. Look at her Girl Camper hat. And is that a potty room or
a closet?
A closet.
We took out the toilet.
Okay.
I didn't want to have to do water and sewage.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so this is the sink.
That's the sink.
Okay. Mm-hmm. That is nice enough. I like your style of decoration. I like that. It's really nice. And then you have a cute setup out here with her table.
Got a little bistro seating.
Look at that.
Garage sale.
Yeah, that is adorable. And her Happy Camper tire cover. That's Miss Ruby.
Miss Ruby.
Thank you, Pam.
All right, thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.